Click on my gallery, click on plus icon. Now choose a canvas size. Using mechanical pencil. First I draw a circle for the head, then I draw a oval for the side plane of the head, then a line for the eyebrow. Now I draw a line for the eyes, nose, chin. Then I draw the center line and the jaw line. Now I draw the shape of the mouth, eyes and eyebrows. Then drawing the nose, eyes and lips. Then I draw a line for hair. Now I am drawing the ear. Then I draw her neck and shoulder and her dress. Now drawing the hair. Then I add some details and shadow line. Now decrease the opacity of this layer and add a layer top of this layer. Here I am using pen fed brush. Now I am drawing the clean outline. As you guys knows that I started online art class where you can learn digital art like this or traditional art with only ₹49. So if you want to level up your art skills, you can join my art class. To know more, contact on this number. And if you like this video, leave a comment, share your thoughts. See you in the next video.